everybody and welcome back to my channel. So this is the design that I did in my video today, and I am working on my niece, my beautiful little niece. We used tips for this design. As you can see here, I have prepped the nails and I am just applying some dehydrator to her natural nail bed. I do apply 2 coats of this just so that there is no lifting, and now I'm just applying some missubeauty primer to her nails. So the products that I am using today are from missubeauty, as always. I do have a discount code for them, don't forget, a 10% discount for you all to enjoy. And the code for that is beautified10, so I will leave you a link to their website in the description box below. So the nail tips that I used here were from Pro Impressions. They are the Noel tips, which is great, so that means that there is no blending required. The brush that I'm using is also from missubeauty, it's their acrylic brush. So I'm using my JSDA e-file here with a small, like a cuticle bit. It just sort of gets round the cuticle area to make sure that the acrylic in that area is lovely and flush with the nail. So that's what I do to start off with. So they have all been filed and buffed, and now I'm just going to apply my gel polish. This is a base coat, obviously, which I cure in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. Okay, so now I go in with my first coat of the gel polish that we're using. This is a gel polish from Igel. You may have heard of them before. I cannot remember what the name of the gel polish is. I sincerely do apologise for that, but I will find out and I will pop it down in the description box for you all to check that out. So I just apply my first coat and then I cure it in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And so I'm going in with my second coat of this gel polish, and before I cure that in my LED lamp, we apply some of this absolutely gorgeous red glitter here to the nail, just to create this beautiful effect. So it's a bit like Dorothy's shoes off the Wizard of Oz. Love it. So on the ring finger we do something different, so I do go in with a second coat and I just cure that without the glitter. And unfortunately I cannot remember where I got this red glitter from. I really do apologise for that also, guys. So with my ring finger what we do is I just apply some gel. It's like a builder gel but it has glitter in it, and I just use that with, I just apply that with my Miss You Beauty gel brush here, and what I'm doing is I'm just creating a heart with that glitter. And what I found out was that glitter was not really bright enough for us, so I applied some gold glitter to it before I cured it in my LED lamp. And then I did cure it, and unfortunately for some reason it didn't cure properly, which is why I'm doing this and faffing around with it. So I do apply a little bit more glitter to that nail just to make sure that the glitter really stands out. And as you can see, it's a little heart, it's so cute. And then what I do is I go over that with my Miss You Beauty jewellery gel, again with my Miss You Beauty gel brush, and what I'm doing basically is I'm just making sure that this heart is more of a 3D effect rather than just a picture of a gold heart. So I just apply this and then I cure it in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. So all the glitter has been removed from the rest of the fingers here, and I'm just applying a top coat to all the nails, which I cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And then apply some cuticle oil to these nails and we are done. So I really do appreciate you watching my video today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. If you have any suggestions for me or requests, feel free to leave me a comment in the comment section below. All the items that I used in this video will be in the description box below for you to check out. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.